Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, this Tuesday. Yesterday I sold I want to say 16 things. Yeah, but first I got to get this out the way. Yeah, y'all ever heard of American pickers? Picking the backwoods of America. Y'all ever heard Matt on YouTube, part-time pickers? You ever heard of Lonnie, garage picks? I mean, not garage picks, but it's garage, whatever it is. Then you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Yeah, but this Kevin, just trying to tell you that we pick in the hood too. Yeah, Kevin from St. Louis. Don't forget that. The big loop. But anyway, yeah, I sold 17 things yesterday, and I wanted to get to what I sold. Okay, I'm sorry about that. My hand was in the way. First we're gonna start off with what I'm gonna start off with. I sold a set of these. I already packed them. I sold a set of these golf club covers, brand new. 3 of them. This 2 right here, but it's a smaller one than this. So I sold 3 of them in one of those. I guess you tighten your golf clubs up with the little tightener thing, I guess. But I already packed that stuff away. Get ready to sell it. See, it's already packed away. So, but anyway, I sold that for $55. Yeah, I had that for a while, and I still got some more. But anyway, let me see what else I sold. Let me pull it up, y'all. Sorry I'm late. Let me pull it up on the screen, what I sold. Anyway, while it's trying to load, I just want y'all to know that this I never sold 17 things in one day before. I mean 16 things in one day before, never. But I'm glad I did it. But usually I sell, like I told you before, probably about 6 items a day. Let me go back. Probably sell about 6 items a day, but I've been loading like crazy. And I called eBay yesterday because I'm loading stuff like crazy, y'all. Remember I told you I dug all this stuff out? I'm loading stuff like crazy because they said you get, 10,000 free loads before the end of the month. So I'm loading like crazy on eBay. Every day I'm loading like 20, 30, 40 things. Anyway, so they start charging me 30 cents to load. So I called them, and they not taking phone calls right now. So they said they answer your questions online. So today I'm gonna email them and see what's going on with that, because I can't find, and then now I can't find the damn email they sent me that told me about that. So, they said if you got a store, because of the virus, they're gonna do this, that, and other. I forgot exactly what exact words they used, but the point is, I want my damn 10,000 loads. I done dug all this stuff out. I was all excited. I was loading like crazy. Y'all just don't know. I was loading like crazy, but come to find out, I guess I don't know what's going on. All I know is I'm finding out today. I want my 10,000 loads, and today is what, the 15th, 14th? I don't even know what today is, but I'm losing time. I need to load all my stuff. You know what I mean? So I sold them golf club covers for $55. Okay, let's see what's next. I got water filter. I'm sorry. I paid $1 a piece for them golf club covers. $1 a piece. They were brand new. I sold this water filter for $35.80. $35.80 for this water filter. I sold a Game Boy. I packed that away too. But I sold a Game Boy with a cobalt blue Game Boy with 5 games and like a cover to go over it. I don't have a charger for it, but I sold this I wanted 65 for it. A guy sent me a bid. He sent me a bid for $40, right? $40. I said, I emailed him back. I said, I want, let me see, I wanted 65. I think I emailed him back saying I wanted 60 $60. I gave $5 off. Then, because I really wanted 55. Then he emailed me back with $55. I took it. You know what I'm saying? But you're going to send me a low ball like that, $25 off? You crazy? $25 off. These dudes be thinking you desperate out here. You know, I would have kept it until it sold to somebody else. But anyway, let's see what's next. I didn't mean to rat on. You know what I'm saying? I sold this PS2 Castlevania. PS2 Castlevania. I've been having these games for I don't know how long. For $66. This sold for $66. This game right here. Castlevania is real popular. No matter what system it is. I got one that's a Game Boy on there right now for I think I got it for $55 on there for Game Boy Advance. Okay, the next up is now all these games are used right there. I'm finna go through. This one is Urban Reign. $28 this sold for. This is a used game. Avatar: The Last Airbender. This right here sold for $16.30. All these PS2s. Oh, I didn't get that Shrek out. Let me get that Shrek. Shrek is up there. Hold on a minute. Let me get that Shrek off this shelf. See the shelf right here? Let me get that Shrek. No, it's not up there. Okay, I gotta find Shrek, y'all. But anyway, let's continue on. I think that's an Xbox. But that one brand new. That's an Xbox Shrek. That's brand new. Now, you know I've been having these games for a long time. I've been telling you guys that. But I thought I had everything down. This street right here, this used street, $34.70 this sold for. Okay. Then I sealed these too. I sealed these some universal wireless conversion things to turn your speakers into wireless speakers. I sold that for $40. I just put that on the other day. Then I sold some more of these little things I told you all about. See these little things, these little makeup things, and I don't know nothing about. This one sold for $11.80. And I sold the last one because all I found was 3 in my boxes. I was trying to find more. The other one sold for $16.60. That sold for $16.60. I tried to find more, y'all, because I got cases everywhere. I keep telling y'all, I got stuff everywhere. So I tried to find some more of them because them things sold. Like I just put them on this week. I mean, Saturday, I think it was Saturday or Sunday I put those on. Then I just, that's the Game Boy. Where that thing at? Oh, paid $1 for this too, y'all. Let me show y'all. Gotta find a place to put this stuff. I paid $1 for this little switch, whatever this is. I paid $1 for it, sold for $17. Hold on a minute. Oh, okay. I sold this little hair thing right here. You take the hair off your nose or whatever. I paid 50 cents for this. I sold it for $10. Nintendo 64 game. Nintendo 64 360 skiing game or snowboarding game. $14 for that. And then I got one more thing, I think. One more item. And that's this ink. You know, I buy a lot of ink. This ink right here, this 940 XL, sold for $16. I paid $1 for that. And let me show you this ink I got. I got a lot of ink. It's got its own case. See that case right there? wrong case. Get all the ink in there. See all that ink? Yeah, I got big cartridges on the shelf over there. I got the little cartridges in that container. But I got some large. I can't walk through here, so much stuff. Anyway, I got the large ones down there. See down there? That's large. Sorry you're upside down, but whatever. I don't know how to use this phone to record. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Let me see what else I got. Because I know I ain't go through 16 things that fast. Oh, I already loaded that too. I sold a brand new Wii game. It's called Broadway Dance. I'm going to find another way to record y'all, because this is messed up. This brand new Wii. I was just getting ready to pack that up before I decided to make a video. Anyway, this is Dance on Broadway. This sold for $27.30. Brand new. I got all them Wii games up there. Brand new Wii games, brand new Xbox 360. Then all them brand new PS2 games. But I got more than that. I got some brand new PS3 games back there too. But I got more than that. I got some of these cases over here that I ain't put out. These just the ones that I got on eBay right now. So I put them up here so I can get them fast. So this stuff up here I got on eBay right now. But anyway, yeah. But anyway, y'all take care of yourselves. I just want to make a quick video about what I sold and complain about eBay because I'm supposed to be getting like 10,000 free uploads. What kind of crap is that? I want my damn uploads free. For the past couple of days, I've been putting on there for 30 because, you know, I get 100 uploads a month because I'm cheap. I'm not paying all that money a month for a store, you know, and just sell 6 items a day and paying $59 a month, $57 a month, whatever that is for a store to get more loads. And even with that $57 a month, all you're getting is like 300 some loads, you know, every day. Then after that, you have to pay that for that. So I was looking forward to loading my 10,000 items. I got about 90,000 items. You know what I mean? But anyway, so I just wanted to complain about that and show you what I sold, you know. But this Kevin from St. Louis, you know, you all give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs down if you don't. You know, I've been moving kind of slow these days because, you know, I don't know. I just don't sound like myself. But whatever. I'm finna get back to me again. Right on. But anyway, it's Kevin from St. Louis. You know, y'all have a good day. Take care of yourself. Wear the mask. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Make a comment. Give me that thumbs up though. Give me a comment about what I'm doing wrong because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm moving this camera all around. I don't care. I'm just trying to make a quick video so you all can see. Thumbs up. Subscribe. And I just want y'all to know that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace.